Sorry guys, it's gonna be loud.
You know where the structure is? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta go through it.
Whoa. Yeah, you gotta get that saw.
I need a different blade.
That whole thing is, that whole top is, man,
Wobbly,
it's like
wobbly.
super wiggling, yeah.
Yeah.
We do or not. We have what we have.
I'm gonna have to cut high here, just because it can't be this far down and cut.
You can do that. You want me to?
Plus,
this thing's getting real wiggly. You want me to put something here to keep it from wiggling? I'll put a pry bar or something in there, just a little pressure.
Yeah, or so just cram a rag in there or something, maybe.
I got an idea what I do. Stand by.
Standing by. Yep. It's almost.
Wow, you were like way out on the blade. Okay, is there anything holding it in here? I don't think so, but I'm not sure.
No, gravity.
Yeah, there's a big old thing holding it here.
No.
What's this?
It's cut off already. See,
look in there. There's a big piece of structure.
It's cut over and down and over and up and under. It's cut.
Oh, the whole package shelf will come out with it. Okay.
Yep.
I got it. How about the other side? Is it already cut like that? You get through all the junk.
Well, there's this hole right here, and if I go too low, I poke the back of this with the U-gun. I'm ready.
Scary. This is scary. You
No.
got glasses on?
I'm not scared. I ain't scared. Yeah, that blade is fighting me.
Yeah, it's a big old bent up mess now from abusing the shit out of it. So now what we need to do, before you do too much of that, don't buckle the top. We need to, right now you've got two beams up here that are not cut. Cam.
I'm just checking to see if it's disconnected. Is it moving freely as if it is not connected?
I don't know, do that again. No, and I'll show you where it's connected.
Point, I can see in there.
It's this, right? It's that piece right there. It's not cut all the way through.
It's not, huh?
Come over here and look right here. You'll see it.
Wait, is it like a piece of rectangular stock in there?
The cord.
Okay, I think I got it now.
She doesn't gonna do that.
It's just the rails up there now.
Josh Holmes says cutting a car's top off is never boring.
Yeah, right? This is exciting.
You know how good I am at stepping over stuff.
Now I know what the Duke boys feel like.
Did it cut?
It's through.
It's through.
That was easy.
All you gotta do is do the, and one more cut. That was who said that? Who said? Buddy Carfano said that.
You get 4 points.
You get 4 points
for reminding us to make an important short.
You're doing the last cut. So I'm gonna say, Buffalo Campo here, get in there and get ready, and I'm gonna say it. Okay. Buffalo Campo here. Here we go. Last cut on the top, we hope. That's it. The top is loose. What do you think of that? Trying to get out of the way.
You're in the darn way!
Yeah, but I couldn't move. There was something in my way.
I need focus from you.
And that was disgusting, but it was kind of good. Okay.
See if you can lift.
This dude's heavy. Okay, stop. Let's see what it looks like as a station wagon. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, where are we going with it?
It looks amazing. We
Where are we
should
going
definitely
with
do that.
Where are we going with it?
Just basically back
Down.
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 Oh, it looks so good already.
Starting to look like a ute?
Do the happy dance. We are topless.
Kim's happy.
Check that out.
Yeah, that's
We got
this one.
so much to do.
It's this one. Well, you know, we are YouTubers. More than
Famous
we are car builders.
YouTubers, huh?
See what we're. Oh, you want me in this?
Yeah, tell them.
Okay, here's the top. We just put it down here. Look at this. It's starting to look like a Ute. Doesn't have a pickup bed in it yet, but it's got a big piece of insulation hanging down. We got to get rid of that. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Neat. Oh, it's so look, it's not flimsy at all.
Oh, it's because we welded those doors in.
It's not flimsy at all.
No, and see this piece right across. That's why I want you to get that camera. That piece there is keeping these sides from going big tunnel where it goes over top of the rear end. So that's really stabilizing it a lot. And because the doors are welded in, it's pretty good. Now that was more fun than the strip club. Looks awesome. Great job, guys. That's what Danny Morrison says.
Less regret.
Grease Billy. This is like behind the scenes.